Hello, and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today I was not planning on making a video, but I just have to say, I mean, this February, update, I already covered it yesterday, just how comically bad it is in terms of there's nothing here that is even worth mentioning hardly. But it sucks even worse, right? It just flat out sucks. The bugginess of this release is just unreal, and it's causing me major pain. And let me show you what I mean here. So I'm working on my book, right? And I've got chapter 11. Now, when I imported these tables, right, they were all stacked on top of each other. And then I created a calculations table and it was like stacked right in the middle. Like right here. They all were like stacked all like on top of each other. To where I came in here, I thought I like imported three different tables and I'd like, well, why do I only have one table? Because it looked like all one table. So and I had to like move them out, in terms of and around in order to get around that problem or whatever. So that was number one. There was some other wonkiness that was going on, but the other one that's causing me major pain, right, is if I go here to like this and like just zoom in on this, all the coloring and stuff is jacked up. Like you see the quantity, it's got a black Q, but the rest of it's green, right down there in the result line, and the T of the result is blue, but then in the return statement the T is black. Like it's all jacked, right? And this is causing me pain and suffering here, like actual pain and suffering, because I'm writing my book, right? And I'm writing chapter 11, right? So like because I paste in and I like to paste it in with the formatting that comes from copying it. So, that I have all the coloring in that correct. So when the coloring is all jacked like this, yeah, I don't even Microsoft, what are you guys even doing, man? Like I'm trying to write a book to like promote your product and help you, and all you're doing is make my life miserable in pain and suffering. So that's all I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.